Hi children, very good morning. So we are dealing with the sets. Already I started. The last class we learned about the sets concept and what is set, what is well defined. So well defined collection of objects is called a set. The sets can be represented by braces. Brace. Set can be represented by brace. Actually, the sets represented by the sets we represent by using capital letters, and we enclose within the brace. Enclose within the brace. That is set. Set writing sets two types. They are roster form and set builder form. Already I told you in the last class. Roster form and set builder form. What is roster form? Listing the element. The process of listing elements in a row and separated them by using commas are called roster form. Example: the set of vowels in English alphabet. B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. So these all represented separated by commas and enclosed within the brace. It is roster form. This type of writing set is called roster form. The objects, the things that are written in a set are called elements. What are the elements of B? A, E, I, O, U are the elements. B is the set of vowels in English alphabet. So how can you write in the set builder form? Set builder form means what? The set that describes all the characteristic properties of elements in it is called set builder form. In the set builder form, we use the arbitrary letter or variable x and the symbol such that. The symbol for such that is this ratio or slash we can use. X such that x, x such that x. So briefly we can write this in set builder form. The set of vowels in English alphabet B equal to A, E, I, O, U. How can you convert? How can you change into set builder form? This is what brace for the brace and use arbitrary letter, that is x or variable x such that x is a vowel. X is a vowel in English alphabet. This is a set builder form. One more example I will give you. A equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is roster form. The set of integers lying between -4 and +4. -4 and +4. How can you write the set builder form? Set builder form use arbitrary letter, that is x, such that x belongs to what? This is set of integers. Is that? So x lies between, x right in the middle. Lies means less than symbols used. Either side of the x use the symbols less than. So x values are between what? -4 and +4. -4 and +4. This also can be written like this also. Or else x like that, x belongs to z. This also can be written as when it includes. Use equal sign. -3 and +3. In two ways we can write. X lies between -4 and +4 means -3 to +3. When a -3 and +3 includes, use equal sign. So this is way of writing the set builder form. So this we learned in the last class. Now types of sets also explained. In that, one is empty set. What is empty set? The set that contains no elements. The set that contains no elements is called a empty set. Empty set. The set that contains no elements is called empty set. Empty set is represented by pi or empty brace. Empty brace, no elements. In empty set, we find no elements. Empty. It is empty. No elements present. So, example. In set builder form, I will give you A is equal to x such that x lies between -1. X lies between -1, 0. X such that x lies between x is that x belongs to z. X lies between -1, 0. Is there any integer between -1 and 0? No. Between -1 and 0, we don't find any element. Between any elements are there between -1 and 0. So between -1 0, any elements are there? No elements. So this is empty set. This is empty set. The other name of empty set is what? A void set, null set, null set, a void set. A void set. The other name of empty set is null set or a void set. This is null set. What is a subset? Subset also I explained the last class. Subset. There are two sets. Let A and B be two sets. Let A and B be two sets. If every element of A is present in B, then A is said to be subset of B. A is said to be subset of B. Every element of A present in B, every element of A, all the elements of A are in B, then we say A is said to be subset of B. Example, A equal to A, B, C and B equal to A, B, C, D. So every element of A belongs to B belongs to B, C belongs to B. So every element of A is present in here. So every element of A present in B. All A, B, C elements are present in the B set. Therefore, A is subset of B. Is every element of B present in A? No. Every element of B is not present in A. So D is not element of B. So B is not subset of A. Only A is subset of B. It is also called a proper subset. What do you call? Proper subset. Subset or proper subset. If every element of A is in B and B is not equal to A, then it is called a proper subset or subset. Simply you can say subset. So when you say A is subset of B, every element of A is in B, then A is said to be subset of B. This is subset. So empty set is subset of every set. Empty set is subset of every set. Empty set is subset of every set. Every given set is subset of itself. For example, given set is A is subset of A, B is subset of B, C is subset of C, D is subset of D, like that. Empty set is subset of every set and every given set is subset of itself. This you remember. Next, we go for, sometimes we use, to represent a set, we use diagrams. We use the diagrams to represent the way of representing a set by using diagrams. What diagrams we use? We use closed curves like this. We use closed curves and rectangles. We use to represent a set. We use diagrams. To represent a set, we use the diagrams like this. Such diagrams are closed curves, circles, or closed curves, or rectangles, and so on like this. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is A set. This is B set. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like this. We use the diagrams to represent a set. So, in that, for example, the whole thing, the whole part, whole part. Here, one more null set over, subset over. Next subset over, null set over, next third universal set. Universal set. Types of sets, just now I gave you. Types of sets. First one, what? Empty set I told you. I hope you understood clearly empty set and null set. Second one is subset over. Third one is universal set. Universal. What is universal? Universal means all form. For example, set of our teeth. In the teeth, what are the parts in the teeth? There are incisors and canines and premolars and molars. 4 types. These are all subset of universal set. Our mouth is whole, the whole part. When you open your mouth, when you open our mouth, we can find out the 4 types of teeth. 4 types of teeth. One is molars, premolars, canines, and what is it? These are the 4 sets. So, the incisors and canines, premolars. So this is the universal set means universal set represents the whole part. Example, our teeth contains our mouth contains four types of teeth. One is incisors and canines and premolars and molars. These four types. Every part is subset of the whole mouth. The mouth is the whole part. The parts of the mouth, the incisors and molars and premolars, these are all the subsets. So, universal set generally we use to represent set. Universal set is represented by U. Represented by U or U. This can be read as mu. M-U-E, mu. Also we can read. We read as mu or U. Capital U. Universal set. Universal means total. The people of Telangana. For example, our school is there. TRRI school is the whole part. The TRRI school is the universal set. TRRI school contains how many? There are number of many classes. Many classes are there. TRRI school consists of so many classes. LKG to 10th class. LKG is a subset of TRRI school. First class is the subset of TRRI school. 9th class is the subset of TRRI school. Why? All these classes are there in the TRRI school. Is intermediate subset of TRRI school? No. Intermediate is the 11th class. Our TRRI school will have only up to LKG to 10th classes. These all subsets of that TRRI school. Here TRRI school is the universal set. Universal means whole part. Godavari is the river that passes through the Andhra Pradesh. Godavari is subset of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the whole part, universal. The Godavari river is passing through the Andhra Pradesh. Krishna is passing through Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Like that. When you speak about the whole country, that is total. That is the whole. Whole part is universal set. Or Telangana is the subset of India. Why Telangana is subset of India? Telangana is one of the states in India. It is subset. So India contains so many states. India contains more 26 states. 26 states. All these are subsets of India. Odisha is subset of India. Madhya Pradesh is subset of India. Andhra Pradesh is subset of India. Karnataka is subset of India. Chennai is a subset of India. All these subsets are there in the India. So the whole part India is called universal set. The universal set is represented by U or mu. U or mu. To represent the universal set, we use the rectangle symbol. To represent, especially we use only rectangle symbol, rectangle diagram to represent a universal set. Now we can define what is universal set. Mathematically, how can you define the universal set? Universal set means the set that contains all the subsets. The set which contains all the subsets is called a universal set. To represent universal set, we use the diagrams such as rectangle. Next, some other way, the way of representing sets, we use diagrams. We use some diagrams such as closed figures means you can say circles and rectangles. So when you use the rectangles, only rectangles we use only to represent a universal set. So to represent all other sets, we use closed figures or circles. Now, when Euler, German mathematicians, they use the diagrams to represent a sets are called Venn-Euler diagrams. Simply you can say Venn diagrams. Why do you call Venn diagrams? Because the mathematician, the famous mathematician, German mathematicians, Venn and Taylor, to represent a set, they use the diagrams. That is why we call them as Venn diagrams. We call them as Venn diagrams. Now we see already. We know, as you know, that in the arithmetic we have four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Similarly, in the sets also we have basic operations. Basic operations. Okay, children. Next class we discuss about Venn diagrams and their basic operations of sets. Thank you.